My dad is his district attorney.
Oh, hold on.
He tells me you guys tell him this all. What destroyed this earth? Because of you guys? Earth is dead.
On a chilly January 6th, 2024, officers responded to a frantic call from a local hotel. A female guest was reportedly creating a scene, allegedly vandalizing property and behaving aggressively towards staff who had politely requested she leave the premises. But little did the poor officer know they're going to face one of the most disturbing cases ever.
I didn't hear a knock on the door or anything, and she came out and started talking stuff to me, telling me...
Wait, which room was she?
She's over here. And I was walking to that room. She came outside and started talking to me in that way.
Did she threaten you?
Yeah.
What'd she say? But what'd she say?
She was charging up to me.
Okay, but what... Is it this one?
No, it's
38 up here.
upstairs.
Okay, and then so
And then she came to his car and started throwing...
Well, that you didn't tell her anything?
No, I didn't. I just told her, you guys, it's not time for you guys to get out like that. You're not getting me this.
Hello, ma'am. Officer Garcia, can you step outside for me?
I'm getting the fuck out.
Can you step outside for me?
Get the fuck out.
Alright, can I step inside here?
I'm getting the fuck out, dude.
Can I come in?
You can come in and tell me.
This is the district attorney's 19-year-old daughter, who allegedly went on a rampage, throwing things and even assaulting staff members who politely requested she leave the room. Let's see how the police deal with this spoiled daughter.
You're gonna stop moving your stuff? We're
Hey,
investigating.
what the hell?
We're investigating, okay? So
This
you're not
is
allowed to
my...
leave?
No, yes I am.
You're not gonna
they
leave.
kicked me out and I have a job.
Alright, you're not
I'm
gonna
sorry,
leave.
but I have
You're
a
not
job.
gonna leave. I'm investigating assault on somebody.
Who?
And you're throwing items.
Who?
Or were you throwing items? They're
No.
saying that they're
I have
saying
not thrown any.
free to go.
This is my.
Put your stuff down
shit.
and you're not free to go. What's your first name?
I don't need to give you that information.
Alright,
Sorry.
if you want to add a charge of concealing, that's fine.
That's not concealing.
It is concealing.
No,
I'm
it's
asking you
not.
for your- I'm conducting an investigation.
An investigation on what?
Okay, so you're not going to give me your information?
I don't have to give you my information.
That's fine,
I
you
have the
She refused to comply with the police and tried to act tough as if she knew the law. Anyone who keeps insisting they know the laws usually doesn't. She then started to assert her power as a district attorney's daughter, which will later land her in hot water.
You have nothing on me, so I can leave. I know my rights. I know my rights. My dad is James motherfucking dog.
Okay,
District attorney.
that's fine.
Yeah, it is perfectly fine. He can put
And
you in handcuffs.
That's fine.
Just for doing that.
You're not free to go.
Yes, I am. I know my rights.
Hey, the
Just
RP
because
is
an
outside of the
LCPD
room, and I'm right here
officer,
with her, if you could just get more
I'm right here
information.
with her. Who's with her?
What's your name?
Exactly.
That's what I'm asking you.
You don't know my name, so you have nothing on me.
So you're saying that you didn't do anything, right?
You don't know that information. I am free to go. You're
Actually,
only
you're not.
Yes, because you're only allowed to hold who is
Alright, cool. So,
Yeah.
what's your first name?
exactly.
What's your first name?
They don't even know the first name of what.
I'm asking you for your first name.
Why?
I didn't talk to them. You're out here trying to leave, and you're not free to go. So what's your first name? I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what
Just
to tell you.
because you're an LCPD officer saying not free to go
Okay, that's
does
fine.
not mean a person cannot go.
That's exactly what it means.
No,
Okay.
it does not.
Okay, that's fine.
Unless they have viable evidence of that person in front of them. If they've seen viable evidence of that
I'm conducting
person.
an investigation.
She refused to provide any of her information or comply with the police, even though the female officer remained calm and professional. Maybe the district attorney just failed this child in multiple ways.
I don't even know what the f- I'm complaining about, dog.
I just asked you if you threatened them verbally. You said no. You said
No.
that you didn't throw anything at anybody's car, right?
No.
So that's what the other officer is gonna confirm whether you did or didn't.
And I
Okay?
did not.
So they're saying that you did. You're not free to go. I'm trying to identify you so we could speed up this process. You don't want to work with me? That's fine. So you're not free to go. You're not gonna leave, and you're not free to go.
Oh. Harassment! 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 Now you got a charge on you.
That's good.
Yeah. You wanna double the charges?
That's fine.
You're gonna double the charges?
That's fine.
Really?
You're not gonna.
Have fun in jail. This is harassment and this is keeping somebody
Name. Just like all
hostage.
information.
Okay.
because she's trying to leave. You're not gonna leave.
Hostage.
Put your stuff back.
Hey! Hey! Get off me!
Hey, hey.
Get the away from me!
Hey,
This
relax.
is harassment!
Relax.
Harassment,
Hey,
bro!
hold on, I'm trying to
Get
talk
the away from me!
She claimed that the police officer harassed her and held her hostage as she attempted to leave the scene. As things escalated, another officer arrived to manage this unruly daughter who doesn't know how to behave.
No!
Can we talk as human beings?
Oh my god. Really? A
Yes.
human being?
Yes.
Y'all humans. Y'all are what destroyed this earth! Because of you guys, Earth is dead. So, moving on. Let me get the out like I was asked to by the fucking hotel.
You're not gonna assault her.
I'm not assaulting her, bro. I'm not assaulting. What the are you doing? I didn't even touch anybody. You guys are harassment. You guys are all getting charged.
That's fine.
Get the away. You can't handle shit.
There you go. Relax. Just relax. Relax. Relax, okay? Let's figure everything out, okay? It's okay.
Oh, really?
Want to pursue charges? No.
I'm pursuing charges on all of you.
If entitlement were a drug, this girl would be overdosing. She threatened to charge all the officers here with harassment after assaulting them. Let's see how these officers handle this girl who was never told no as a child.
What?
You blowed up on her.
I didn't blow up on shit, dog. You're lying. Fine, lying after you shit. Whoa.
Go downstairs.
You know what? Oh. Watch the
Go and conduct the search.
I searched for what?
You're going to jail.
I'm not going to jail. What the Why? What did I do to you?
You can't.
What did I do to you?
You assaulted a police officer.
I didn't assault a police
You
officer.
assaulted me. I thought you were gonna hit me.
No, I didn't.
I thought that
That's
you were gonna hit
not true. What the
me. How many undershirts are you wearing?
No.
How many undershirts?
Get the fuck away from me.
Okay.
This isn't fair. I didn't do anything.
Now, stand up. Come on. Come on. You're making it so much worse. Come on.
I didn't do anything.
Don't kick me.
You didn't say shit. You guys are assholes. I didn't do anything. I can't let fall with the fun.
Don't kick.
Hey,
I'm
look.
not kicking.
look.
This isn't fair. I didn't do anything.
It's,
I didn't do anything. Stop. Stop.
I don't know. She didn't give it to me.
She made this so much harder than it needed to be. She started out using her foul mouth and disrespecting the police, then turned into a crying baby. Maybe this is her first time being held accountable for her behavior.
Hey.
stand up. Come on. Hey, look. You can make this easier on yourself. Listen, we're gonna.
I didn't do anything.
You either stand up and act like an adult, or we're gonna put you in a rack, okay?
I didn't do anything.
You just want to pick her up and put her inside the gate?
I didn't do anything.
No.
Pick
your legs up. You got her top off?
You guys are assaulting a mental patient.
Stop trying to kick me.
I'm not even kicking you. You're lying ass.
Here, I got it. Let me see.
Sit in the car.
This girl just herself turned an easy investigation into a disturbing arrest. Being a child of a district attorney doesn't make her special. She should learn some respect and decency for other fellow human beings.
You break my shit, you're gonna get a felony. This is a misdemeanor.
Okay. Sir.
Hold on, don't open it. Let me go around.
Wait, I want to do it. Wait, hey. What the fuck? Just kidding.
Hey.
You just want to roll down the window?
Yeah, I'll roll it down. I got you.
I know. Oh, don't go in the street.
The police then discovered that she also owned a puppy. However, she's not emotionally mature enough to care for an animal. She can't even care for herself.
You go to the hospital? Thank you.
No, you're going to
No.
jail.
No, I'm not going to jail. I'm not going to jail. You guys
You want
do
to put her
this
in
to
the
me.
seat?
Yeah, it's alright.
Sorry, no.
Yeah, that's my dog! Better touch that fucking dog and I will.
No, stop.
You better with the mental health patient!
Hey, you guys good with her? So I can start.
I was leaving! I was leaving! She stopped me from leaving! She stopped me from leaving!
Stop. Why are
That's called f***ing harassment!
Mom, why are we doing this? Stop.
Because I was leaving! I could have been gone! I could have been at work!
We can talk civil.
Do it. You can kill me.
Yeah, you're good, dude.
You can kill me. Get her off my back.
So on to
You're just gonna break my f***ing back, bro.
I'm just doing this so she doesn't bang it.
No!
Are we gonna stop? Are we gonna stop? We're gonna just sit you down. We'll get you some air right now. Yeah? You want some water? No? Can you sit back for me real quick? Kick your leg in. There you go. You want some air back? Okay. Why are you crying? What's happening?
You're trying to put me away from not doing anything.
Well, tell me why you're crying though. Like, we can talk. I have no problem.
Because you're putting me in jail for not doing anything.
I'm not putting you in jail.
I just got to work.
Clearly, as you can see, this girl is behaving like a 5-year-old. However, in reality, this 19-year-old is about to face serious consequences for her actions, including criminal trespass, assaulting a police officer, and resisting arrest. It looks like this girl just put herself in a situation where her district attorney can hardly help.
My name is Sergeant Baker, Chris Baker. I'm with the Las Cruces Police Department, okay? Everything we've done has been recorded since the beginning. This is just to remind you, okay?
Yeah,
No.
that would freaking
Hold
remind
on.
you guys. You guys do this to me. I didn't
So,
do anything.
what I'm going to tell you is this. Your dog is only temporarily taken while you're in our care, okay? In our This is what's going to happen, okay? Because you're banging your head and throwing yourself around, we have a wrap restraint device. If you continue, we will put you in it, which will put you in the fetal position and put a foam helmet on you, make you look kind of silly. We don't want that.
The woman was medically cleared and given a final briefing on the process to reclaim custody of her dog upon her release.
If you don't pick him up in 5 days, they're going to put him up for adoption. In 5 days. Just in 5 days, it's going to be fine. Why don't you ask your boyfriend? I saw him in the video with you. Or which guy were you with? There was another. You're gonna go to jail?
For how long?
I don't know, friend. I really don't. I really don't know that kind of information. But let's get some water so we can get you going, okay? The quicker we get you in, the sooner you're gonna get out. Okay? Let's calm down. Get some water. Let's calm down. Sorry. Sit in the seat.
I am in the seat, ma'am.
No, stop. You don't need to step out.
I'm not stepping up, ma'am.
Okay, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Put. Oh, crawl. She slipped her cuff.
It seems like everything has come to an end with this obnoxious adult. She continued to disrupt everything, leaving the police with no choice but to put her back in handcuffs.
I tell her no, so I put my hands on her so she's gonna run. I look, she slipped her cuff.
Hey, Miss. So here's the thing. Your charges are misdemeanors. We get you to the jail, they're going to walk you right out. They're just going to book you and then take you out, all right? So if you pick up a felony, it's different. So if you relax and you calm down, we'll get you in and out of the jail, all right?
It doesn't work that way. I know district attorney.
Oh, hold on.
He tells me, you guys tell him this all the time.
No, these are misdemeanors. You're only on misdemeanors. We're citing you into Las Cruces Municipal Court. All right?
Following an alleged incident on January 6, 2024, she has been charged with criminal trespass, assault on a police officer, and resisting arrest.